What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add custom emojis in Slack. First off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Slack. After typing, you will see the first official website of Slack. So this is the official website of Slack. Just click on this website, and after clicking you will be welcome to the dashboard of Slack. So if you are new to Slack, just simply sign in with your email and password, and if you already have an account or you already have a Slack, hit on launch Slack, whatever Slack you want to launch, and after that you can just launch your Slack in the browser. Now after coming to your Slack, on the left side you can see the option of new channel, and from here you can see the option of emoji on the bottom. Click on this. After coming here, you have the option of add emoji. Just click on this button and you will see type of dashboard. And from here, you can upload an image. Just click on upload image and then I will just upload my image like this. And I will save this to emoji. But remember guys, to save it the name that you remember, and when you will click on save, it will save the emoji. And when you go to your emoji sections again and search for the name of your emoji, here you will see your custom emoji will appear, and you can use it again and again anytime you want. So as you can see, you can use your custom emojis and then hit send. After that, it will send the emojis. So this is how you can create your own custom emoji in Slack, and that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.